In this video, we will talk about absolute value. And all that is, the absolute value of a number is the distance a number is away from zero. And it's always positive. Yesterday, we talked about integers and a little bit about the number line and what it looks like and the positive side and the negative side. So if you need help with that, watch yesterday's video. So we will evaluate the absolute value of 7 right here. Well, think about the number line. And the distance from 0 to 7 is just 7. Also, we need to evaluate the absolute value of negative 7. Well, think about the number line. Again, the distance from 0 to negative 7 is also 7. Okay? Now, this one, you have too many negative signs right there. So let's go one step at a time. So this negative belongs to the outside, so it doesn't go anywhere. So, and then you evaluate the absolute value of negative 6, like you did over here on the absolute value of negative 7. You think about the number line and think about the distance from 0 to negative 6, which is 6. Okay? Remember, it's always positive. Well, if it's always positive, how is that one negative? Well, this one negative is from over here. Okay? So now this one negative, same idea. And then the absolute value of 6 is 6. Ooh, operations right there. Absolute value of negative 3 is 3. Plus absolute value of negative 4 is 4. Again, think of the number line. And then 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, so 7 on this one. So how is this one different than this one? Well, here we're going to evaluate this whole thing together. So I'm going to keep the absolute value for now. I will take care of them. So negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. Still in the absolute value. So, and then I evaluate the absolute value of negative 7, which is 7. Okay? They just turn out to be the same thing because that's a different way that you can think of this question. You can evaluate them both and then bring them together. So for number 4, I will evaluate the absolute value first and then I will take care of the operations. So I have 2 invisible multiplication sign right there. Evaluate the absolute value of negative 5, which is 5. Bring this minus down. Evaluate the absolute value of negative 6, which is just 6. And then you follow PEMDAS. PEMDAS, we talked about our very first video in order of operations. So 2 times 5 is 10. Minus 6 is 4. All right, what do we do with all this? Well, it's just easy for us to compare numbers. So this one right here is less than. This one right here is greater than. And everybody knows the equal sign. So you make an L with your left hand side. Your left hand side right there. Okay, so 5 is less than 8. Negative 3 and negative 9. Well, this one gets a little complicated. Let's draw the number line. If 0 is right here, and then you're counting on the negative side that way, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 is right here. And then you keep going, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, and so on. So you get it. So the closest you get to the positive side, the bigger the number is. Okay? So negative 3 is bigger than negative 9. Absolute value of negative 4 is 4 compared to 4. This one is easy. They equal each other. And here, absolute value of negative 7 is 7. Here I have negative 7. One is negative, one is positive, so the negative is definitely less than the positive one. All right, hope this helps.